sit in chairs.
Class, attention. UKG stand up. Coach sir, bring them in flame on position. And a very good morning everyone. It is my pleasure and honor to extend a warm welcome to all parents and family members who are gathered here at Sports Ground to support their children of Cherub's Galaxy Preschool participating in Sports Day 2025. Sports activities are a confirmed part of our curriculum because it teaches students many important life lessons. They learn discipline, they learn focus and dedication. Playing sports helps a child to achieve physical fitness and strength. Participating in sports competitions teaches hard work and encourages children to push their limits to scale new heights. Before we begin the activities of the day, we now welcome our chief guest, Sri N. Krishnappa, Secretary of Anjanadri High School. He is an ex-Taluk President. Fireman and LKG students are felicitating Sir with a bouquet and a token of appreciation. Big round of applause, please. Thank you. Sri Krishnappa is grandfather of one of our school students, little Dhanvik of pre-nursery. This is how we got the connection to have such a esteemed luminary person with us among us today. It's a great honor, sir. Thank you for taking out the time. Shiv Kumar, Headmaster of Anjanadri High School. Students of LKG, felicitating one of appreciation.
The camera looks up. Okay, thanks.
Please give a big round of applause. He's headmaster. He is so busy. And two of my aunties are ex-students of his school. So they are very glad to see ex-headmaster with us today.
Thank you.
It's a very good school.
What's your name?
It's a very good chief guest to the dais. Coach sir, flame none ready? Video. Samvit is now holding the flame, passing to Dishani. Dishani is now passing to Now we start the events day with prayer. Join your hands. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Prayer begin. 1, 2, 3. Start. Om. 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 Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for lovely parents. Thank you, God. Super! Attention. Turn right. For the Ramsam, right side, facing parents. Facing parents. Look at your mummy, papa. Huge, huge, huge. Super, big clap, children. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn to your left. Look at me. Turn. Look at me.
Today, Saturday, Cheer-Ups, Galaxy Preschools and Daycare Centers, organizers, ma'am, they are arranged very well. All the students are very well do the activities. We are happy. Honorable, our Secretary Sir N. Krishnappa Sir, and schools organizers, ma'am, and teachers, parents, and good children. Today, school's program is very good activities done. So, today is Sports Day, sports inaugurations. So our secretary inaugurates and also given to ma'am took this and also blessing to all the childrens. So I would like your school's activities and teachers also very well giving coach to the childrens. And parents also most should encourage to the childrens. Totally teachers, schools and parents combine together to make a very top level to maintain the childrens. So education is one of the most important, as well as even activities also one of the part of the education. They are definitely shown, and also parents cooperate with the house. Thank you very much. So today organize is very okay. Today sports meet we will declare to the schools to the open also. Thank you very much.
Because they're standing sun too much, no? They will. Thank you, sir.
I will think that
Again, yeah, we will give one more speech. Nursery, return back to position. March past, return. Return back to shade. Come, pre-nursery. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. And chief guest, sir, please be seated.
Speech is also no problem.
You are going together.
Scholarship program. That is unexpectedly there.
Because I thought you will give nice speech.
In front of UKG. Come fast. Come. My turn. Payal ma'am, Rubina, opposite.
Parachute time, play along with me. It's parachute time, play along with me. Walk around, round, round, walk around, round, round, walk around, round, 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 round. It's parachute time, play along with me. It's parachute time, play along with me. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. It's parachute time, play along with me. It's parachute time, play along with me. Lift it up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, go underneath. Woo! This is great. Okay, let's get back out and hold the handle and get ready to go around. We're gonna do it again, all over. Parachute time, play along with me. It's parachute time, play along with me. Walk around, round, round, walk around, round, round, walk around, round, 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 round. It's parachute time, play along with me. Come on, it's parachute time, play along with me. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. It's parachute time, play along with me. It's parachute time, play along with me. Lift
Superb! A huge round of applause. Very good children, very good. And UKG, brilliant. Well done. Good.
Line. Pre-nursery, go back.
Come. Isabel, come. Teachers, remove ID cards. Payal ma'am, Kavi ma'am, remove ID cards. Come, Mitvika. Super. Come. Ritik, come. Super. Come, Madhvika. Yes. Chintu baby, come fast. Izzy baby, come fast. Super. Now they are making a pyramid. And well done, Ritik. Well done, Advika. Come, Mitvika. Well done, Mitvika. And Isabel. Well done, Isabel. Excellent. Come. Hands up. Very good, Ritvik. Come. And hands up. Oh, Maisha and Litton, come, Dhanvik, come. Oh, pick up the conch. Pick up. Fast. Pick up. Oh, super. Put it. Super. I live, Baba. Come. 2, 1, go. Start the race. Pick up the hoop, run. Hit it, सामने देखो. Super. Run. Drop your hoop on the cone. Karthik. So cute. Very cute. Super. Big clap. Super. Super. Run. Flip the cone. And touch. Yay! Super. Big clap. Come on. Good job. Fast. Superb, Divyank. Superb, Myra. Well done, Abdul Hadi. Good job, you win. Good job, Avi. Come, speed. Super. Well done. Two, 1. Start the race. Good, quick, fast. Superb. Excellent. Wow. Excellent. 3, 2, 1. Superb speed. दिशानी लाइन के अंदर. Jump the shuttle. Superb, Kanishk. Come on, Alia. क्या स्पीड है. Superb. Good job, Kanishk. Superb. And now they will arrange it in a pyramid structure. Coach sir, help Kanishk. Superb. Good job, Alia. Good job, Dishani. And hands down. Let's watch. Parents ready. on, come on, come on, come on, fast, fast, fast. Super, super, super. Wow, good job, good job, good job. Slow, Samvit, slow, slow. Come, 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 run, run. Finish the race, come. No tension, come. Good baby. Excellent, excellent. Big round of applause, big round of applause. Huge round of applause. And superb. Very good, Shivansh. Yes, Akhila. Superb effort. Come, Monica, come, come, come. Come, Monica. We have just made the race easier for Monica. Okay? He's a very young child. Good job, Monica. Well done. Shivansh, very smart. Come on, come on, come on, come on, Akhila. Yes, Akhila, Vesmita, good effort. Superb, Satvik. Superb, Himad. Well done. Put it on the cone. Himad, put it on the cone. Superb. Well done. There is no winners list here. They are just participating. Everybody will get the same prize. Come on, Akhila. Come on, Vesmita. Finish the race. Good job, girls. Good job. Good effort. And if you watch carefully, they are following the rules. Both the girls are following the rules absolutely correctly and properly. Good job, Vesmita. Excellent. Last one. Put it on the cone. Put it on the cone, Vesu. Oh, superb. Big clap. Well done, well done. Good job. Good job. Good job, children. Staff, please go to the starting position. Staff members. Watch the race. Watch the race. Hold the cone. Wow. 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 Fans worked. Payal, your fans worked. Well done, well done. As usual, we don't have any. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera, sir.
Turn the trophy. Isabel, mummy, turn the trophy. It is up. Yes. Sir, just a minute. Let one trophy picture, one medal. Yes.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, baby.
Ritik, mummy, next. Superb, Isabel. Big clap. But stay here. Don't go. Okay. Don't go back to. We will have children. One group photo. Two, come forward. ठीक है ना जय कुमार सर ठीक है
Ma'am, come close. Sorry, get ready, sir. Ma'am, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Next is Ritvik. My given name is Chintu baby. You know why? Because he reminds me of Rishi Kapoor. Ritvik reminds me of Rishi Kapoor. Can you believe it? Rishi Kapoor's pet name was Chintu. Ritvik, come on stage. Geeta, ab dur nahi jana. Group photo. Come baby, come. Mamta, aaja. Baby is getting trophy. Kavi, turn the trophy. Super. Mitrika. And now Advika. Mitrika, well done. Superb, no? Lavanya and Vivekanandan sir, you feeling proud? No problem.
Hey, baby.
Very good, Mitrika. Very smart child. Excellent. Thank you. Don't go. We will have a group photo. Great group photo. Sorry. Superb child. Very, very smart child. Advika, big clap. Good job. Now we start with the second race. 3 students, Litwin, Maisha, Dhanvik. Yum. Superb. Excellent.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Hi. Are you?
Hi, baby.
Hi. Hi. Thank you. Don't go to. This is a very, very proud moment, parents. Excellent. Lots of blessings. That there are more certificates and more medals in future. Very good. Thank you. Now, pre-nursery, all children come on podium. Please put the children with their trophies. You can hold the certificates. Let them hold the trophy in hand and put all the students on the podium. Sakshi ma'am, you also come. Come, Litwin, come. 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 Tanima ma'am, come. Come, baby, come. 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 Mitrika, come. Come, Dhanvik, come. Ijubel, come. Come, Mitrika. Come. Super. Give the certificate to Appa. Appa. Amma, hold. Trophy. Trophy. Show the trophy. ऋतिक आ जाओ. जरूर तो आप पीछे खड़े हो जाओ. कोई बात नहीं. कोई टेंशन नहीं है. बहुत छोटे हैं बच्चे अभी. कम. चिंटू कम. ये थोड़ा हीरो जैसा है ना. हाँ. चिंटू. नहीं नहीं. Only trophies. हाँ. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. He's smiling.
One photo, baby.
आप साथ में खड़े हो जाओ. गीता. आप साथ में खड़े हो जाओ. पीछे खड़े हो जाओ. माइचो मम्मा गोदी में लेके आ जाओ. ऋतिक ऋतिक अभी जूस मिलेगा. जूस मिलेगा. हाँ. मानिका नीचे जाएगी. माइचो आ जाओ. गोदी लेके आ जाओ. कुछ नहीं होता. फर्स्ट ईयर है. कुछ नहीं होता है. 3 साल बाद देखना. आप खड़े हो जाइए. सुबह.
Make life very easy.
Ready?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋಣ ರೆಡಿ ಲುಕ್
You know what is my favorite day for him? Baby, what's your name? Litwin. I call him Mango Baby. Look at this face.
Very nice.
Full school will call him Mango Baby.
Oh.
Very nice child.
He will with everybody.
So nice, no? Good job, pre-nursery. Nursery, get ready. Parents, come forward. Whoever is standing in line, we can start. Nihansh, mommy, come. Nursery children, please be ready. Udbhav, has he come? Yes. Take a picture. Alex is at home. I know. Rubina, sign. We have a dispersal sheet. Araf, ready? Sorry, Udbhav. Extremely sorry. Udbhav has come on stage. The trophy, the medal. The medals are sponsored by Go Alpha. All the medals are sponsored by Go Alpha. Hitesh will be next.
Okay, ready. Okay, ready, sir, ready.
Rubina, वापस जाओ. Good job, Udva. Good fee, medal, and certificate. We have Arav standing in line.
Camera look, huh?
Wow, Hitesh, smile की अच्छी है. कितने क्यूट लग रहे हो. Arav, come. ये बिल्कुल मेरे जैसे दिखती है ना. Superb. Arav, good job. Karthik next. Karthik, come forward. सामने आ जाइए. Next is Nihansh is already done. So we have Aditya. After Aditya, Rutvik. Rutvik is here in line. Good. And Chirasvi is here. Yes. Appa didn't come. Chirasvi, mummy. Oh yes. Please bring your mummy also on stage. Okay. This is a family photo. Family should come. Rutvik mama, बाकी family बुलाई लीजिए. क्यों? Rutvik mummy, bring your family. Come. Nursery, don't go back. We will have a group photo. Karthik भी आ गया. 3 बेबी आज ग्राउंड में. Good job, Rutvik.
Ready, camera look, huh? Camera look, sir.
Nursery students, all children, please get ready. Take the certificates from their hands, okay? Papa, grandmother. Super, very smart child. Now all nursery children, parents take the certificates from them, give them trophy and medals, and they will come on the podium. And we will have a group photo with nursery students. Kavi ma'am also with nursery. Come all. Hey Aditya, don't do all that. Now look at camera. Look at no. Look at camera.
अच्छा किन्नकी
Tell him to switch off the audio. पीछे से audio बजा रहा है. Who's playing behind us?
मायरा वो मायशा नुमान का
इधर चले जाए ना. In the back.
इसको आगे
After you win, Abdul Hadi. Come little close. Parents come forward. हिमाद, आप वेट कीजिए, आपका भी ट्रॉफी आएगा. Superb. Myra, come forward. Divyank, After this, Soham, Taragai, Anush. Reena ma'am. Good job, Myra. Well done. Full smiles. LKG Soham Taragai, Anushka Vedant, please be in line. Superb. Divyang, good job. क्या प्राउड लुक है फेस में, वाह. Soham. Thank you. Good job, Divyang. Soham, come on stage.
Ready?
आलिया ट्रॉफी मिलेगा, जल्दी बैठो जल्दी. Look at the camera, Taragai. अनुष्का, मम्मी सामने आ जाओ. Vedant mummy and Vikrant. And we have uncle, auntie. My sister. Your sister. Come Vedant. Full family is here to see you get your trophy. Trophy, medal and certificate. Now I call all the LKG students to come on stage. Give the certificates to your parents. Give the certificate to your mummy, papa. Show your trophy.
Okay. Ready?
Hands down, hands.
Okay, ready?
It's okay.
Hi, baby. Smile. That's the camera.
Super, Balia. Good job. क्या run किया इसने. Yes. With baby. Good job, Dishani. Very nice. Thank you. Good job, Kanishk. Well done. Good job. Happy. Smile. Kanish, smile. ट्रॉफी दे दिया, फोटो नहीं लिया. ट्रॉफी देने टाइम में भी फोटो लेना है ना. थैंक यू. गुड जॉब संवित. Sir, give one trophy. Satvik, take your trophy. Monica, take your trophy. Akhila, trophy for you.
She's very fast come to read.
Hamid and Shivansh. So all 6 siblings are on stage. Yes. Chief guest sir will be leaving the dais. We will have a small speech and then we will begin the parents' race. Please be seated. Headmaster of Anjanadri High School, for gracing this occasion, for blessing our students, and for being so patient. They have urgent government work after this, but they have waited so patiently to do the medal ceremony. Please give a big round of applause for our chief guests. Thank you. I now ask Headmaster Sir to say a few words so that our children get motivated for future also.
Cheer Bus Schools and Daycare Center organizers, Madam, and our Secretary N. Krishna Prasad, parents, teachers and students. Today you are celebrated by Sports Day. The day is very nice because all the teachers and even students joining cooperation do this work. Schools actually motivation all the students. All the students are more active. They are playing all activities. They are interestfully spend the time also. All the children are speak well as activities are very good. Totally, I will say that schools are very interesting to take care about the children. Even teachers also helpful for the cooperation of the management and also parents and students. They are easily to guidelines to the students. I think the schools is very taken to care about the childrens. All the childrens are interesting to mingle with activities in the sports. So I will be interesting say that next the schools ma'am will more interesting take to collect the more activities to spend the children's. The children's almost all becomes to be eye level. So we are saying that the schools will become also eye level. We are blessing to their all the staffs and managements. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. Thank you, sir. Teachers, please escort them. So your gifts are in the bag. Yes. Please come. Huh? Take them. Come, sir.
Thank you.
You escort them. Come, Payal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We will now begin parents'
Actually,
race.
I'm not seeing.
Okay. Come on. Flip the cones. Side to side, flip the cones. Touch. Arrange in single line. Single line. Superb. Don't worry. Coach sir. Flip the cone, flip the cone and touch the big cone, then go back and put it in line. And Sujay sir, careful, select the 3 winners. Superb. Sound.
Who is Papa? Om Prakash, Hitesh Papa.
Navanithan, Navika's mother.
Anurag, Vex Papa.
Hariom, Divyang's Papa.
Rahim, Alia Papa.
Are you ready? Yes. On the counter. 3, 2, 1.
वाह वाह, क्या स्पीड है, वाह वाह, वाओ वाओ. Coach Sujay, tell. Please bring them to podium. 3 winners, please bring them to podium. Coach sir, it's okay, it's very hot now. And run back. Oh, Kartika, superb. Well done. Yeah. अच्छा, बीमार लग रहे थे अब्दुल हादी की मम्मी, पता नहीं कैसे. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? अब्दुल हादी, जरा मम्मी को देखो. हामिद, मम्मा को देखो. पता नहीं कहाँ बीमारी चली गई. कौन बीमार था? Superb. Coach sir, please select the 6 finalists.
Pooja, open the mummy.
Kartika, Taragai Mama.
Nida, Abdul Hadi's mother. Alia's mother.
Name. आलिया मम्मा, नेम बताओ अपना.
Geeta, Ritik's Mama.
Fatima Begum, Alia's mama.
Thank you.
Kiran, Hitesh mama.
Thank you. Three, 2, 1. वाह, क्या स्पीड है. पता नहीं स्पीड कहाँ से आ जाती है. अरे ये क्या हो गया? अरे ये क्या हो गया? अब्दुल हादी कहाँ हो? Number 1, Abdul Hadi mother. Announce. No. First prize winner.
First prize, Nida.
Nida, Abdul Hadi's mother.
Second please. Please continue. Assistant किधर है? Oh my God. Father's face. Anurag Advika's mother. Hari Om, Divyang's mother. Second Advika.
Special instructions.
Done.
Thank you.
Give one. इतनी थकान के बाद
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಂಪೆ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಕಾಯಿ
Them. 2 minutes. Give me 2 more minutes. We now conclude the event of Cherub's Galaxy Preschool Sports Day. We have thanked our chief guests. We have thanked my heartfelt thanks to my beloved teachers, Kavi Priya ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, and Payal ma'am. Thank you to all the aunties, Rubina, Anita, Ranjita, Ratnamma. I thank the Go Alpha team coaches, Coach Vishnu, Coach Sujay. Thank you, Coach Vishnu, for planning and coordinating the entire sports day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, wonderful parents, for participating in the sports day. We thank the suppliers of our trophies. We thank Anji's Tent House for providing all the materials on the ground and finishing the work last night. And last but not the least, I thank the principal of Orchids International School for giving us permission to conduct the sports day at this wonderful sports ground. I thank Mr. Kranti, admin manager of Orchids International School, for all his support and coordination. We conclude with my warmest thanks to each and every person present here today. Please stand up for the national anthem. I request all people present here on the ground to stand up for the national anthem. Sound, I'm playing the music. Attention!
जनगण मन अधिनायक भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! And our favorite, Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, lovely parents. Please enjoy your vacation and messages will come in WhatsApp group.